Christmas is very close, so the government are getting very, very quick to try and hit me off. So we've got to time all these roughnecks. So, you know, we've got to hit me off, you know, got to do away with me so that the government can play about with me in a fireplace with poker sticks after raping me as a baby in my next life. Nothing I can do about it, I'm outnumbered. 8 sales calls up me and I'm forced to be coughed at. There's nothing to do because I'm holding that. Till closed, so I've got to go to here. 3 lots of coughing in my face, 4 lots of sneezes. Nothing I can do about it. Everyone's fucked up. Since Jesus is a cruel little bastard, we need to time kissing and sexual cuddling and sex. Oh, now bike to erection, grey, white. Well, I'm trying to explain that I've been sneezed at walking out the fucking shop. Oh no, you've got to be told this first. Try and hit a car. Black sick, yeah, and that's sick price. That's right, you fucking cruelty cunt. Jesus Christ has to time 4 people in my direction to fucking bash me out, to knock me off. The power of Jesus, yeah. Christ, sex slaughtering bastard. Remember, after the Christmas, it's countdown to Valentine's Day. Right, get back home. Firstly, shot dead by Matty. Then I've got to wash my face, look. Because the bastards cause me to get sneezed over fucking every time. That sneezing over me is becoming every fucking time now. Back in 2022, they were causing person upon person to sneeze in my fucking face 40 to 140 times fucking per day, especially in the summer months. Or the start from February, March area to August area in particular. This year it's been down, but there have been the bad days, but now they're just starting it all again. So we know what they're going to do next year, don't you? Cause every fucking person to sneeze in my fucking face. Bash you in breaking in later. Blind you with a fucking laser shouted by a neighbour. Yeah, that's the power of Jesus. Now a legal gunshot sound.